I camped in the hidden forest side of Kampong Chnang that tourists never see. We couldn't reach the local eco community by phone and end up completely lost in the middle of nowhere. With no signal, we make a split-second decision to just head out directly and ask the local we meet along the way for direction. Camping in an unfamiliar forest is highly dangerous, especially without local guards or park ranger. The sunset was fast catching us up. Stranded in an unknown valley surrounded by mountains, so we scrambled to find a spot to pitch our tent. We spent the late night discussing how to complete this seemingly impossible mission, chilling with Cambodian beer and a barbecue. Looking up, the night sky was ablaze with a galaxy of stars. Falling asleep in the wood to the sound of flowing water is as cozy as it gets. But if you are anything like our team, you didn't come out here just to get comfortable. Our mission was to truly explore. That is why we raced it all together, heading out with our driver guide, equipped with no compass and rely only on a basics offline map. And yes, we just keeping us the local along the way until we make a headway. In the morning, the sound of rooster woke me up early. I wandered around the area, a place the local call TrochakJet. The pure, untouched natural completely calmed me down and forced me to slow down. Watching the river flow totally mesmerizing me. I loved the morning valley view, but we had a mission to finish. We packed our gear and pushed deeper into the hidden forest. Navigating unknown roads was really a massive challenge for our team. Having no internet to Google direction and no phone signal to call for help were massive risky hurdles. We only had one key left to unlock this puzzle: asking the stranger in the village for help. Completing an exploration mission to an unknown place without Google Map or a phone signal actually make our journey much more exciting and memorable. We got lost countless times, turning left and right down the wrong path. Some treks were terrifying because we had absolutely no idea where they led. But after a long trek down, we finally meet villagers who recognize our destination. It makes us smile like we had just won the lottery.
Cold light on the stone, your name in the air, hands full of echoes, I was almost there.
Just like I always say, no matter how cool or beautiful a place look on your phone screen, it is just a delusion until you see it with your own eyes. Only then you can accept it as the truth. We traveling to experience life, not just taking a photo and head home.
ឥឡូវមកដល់គេនេះយ៉ាមួយដល់បងនេះឲ្យគេបងខាងណាបងអូអីគេអន្លង់តិចចិត្តអេយោតោះទៅមើលនៅមានអីគេលេងដឹងតែសុបាយអត់រឿងស្អាតជិះមកតាមផ្លូវក៏ស្អាតដែរតោះកាមេរ៉ាមែនទៅហើយcho hủi ớt này ây da ây da lỡ ôi ơi sắp không ai ở lại đá tê sẽ đấy thôi đa mà ây da cho nó sân ây vô nào bạn không mà có súng không sao rồi đây nàyสมัยchắc không ai vậy nói chắc không ai vậy lấy nhom cho mà đo hàng khổ tập này ta này ní xa đó nè này ní dương anh langទៅលើបានច្រើនតទេប៉ុន្តែអាសាយើងទៅតែចេញមកពីកន្លែងមួយទៀតអញ្ចឹងមានពេលខ្លីអត់បានឡើងទៅលេងនៅក្នុងទេនៅមើលនេះតែស្អាត
By the way, the view along the roads make my heart beat faster and faster. It's so calmly fresh, and the sky is so blue. Play around with the clouds, breathing clean air, and the green color of naturals make us feel unspeakable. Well, this trip was awesome.